In this video, I'm going to discuss if my YouTube channel is over, if this is the last video you will ever see uploaded to this channel, if I'm done reselling, have I quit it as a whole, where have I been for the past month, and why have I not communicated with any of you guys, and why is my house 90 degrees right now? I'm going to answer all of that in this video, so stay tuned to the very end. Not even gonna lie, it's been so long since I've done this. This is like my third time trying to film it. So hey, here's hope this one works. So, you guys may have noticed that I haven't uploaded a video in almost 3 weeks now, I think. My departure came kind of at a weird time because fellow sneaker YouTubers, boterboynova and burgerskicks, announced right around that same time they were gonna be taking a step back from content creation and their channels. No, I'm not on their levels at all, nowhere near it. And this isn't necessarily my decision, it's not affiliated with theirs, but I'm not gonna say it's not influenced by theirs, if that makes sense. So, in a time where I probably should have been cranking out a ton of videos every single week, trying to capture the audiences of those two guys who, you know, they're still there, but they just took a step back. So wouldn't it make sense that I make even more videos now, because there's maybe a little bit of the market who are looking for other content creators. And hey, that could be me. So why during that time was I completely MIA? Why did I give no communication at all about what I was doing? Was I just taking a break? Or is this my way of telling you guys that my YouTube channel is over and I'm shutting it down? I'm about to answer all of those questions right now. So, the most common questions I've been getting are, am I quitting YouTube? Am I quitting reselling? What have I been up to for the past month, and why have I been so silent about it and not told any of my viewers? Well, I'm gonna answer those questions in this video, but the big question that you guys wanna know, am I quitting YouTube? Is my channel done? Is this the last video on this channel? Well, I'm gonna answer that at the very end of the video, so you guys are gonna have to stick around until the very end to find out. But before I answer that question, there are 5 points that I want to talk about first. So, point number 1, the channel that you're watching right now just got monetized not too long ago. So, that means that I can now start earning money off of my YouTube channel. I haven't earned a dime off of this channel until probably after this video gets posted. So, it would mean the world to me if you guys would like this video, subscribe to the channel, and help me out. I would really, really appreciate it. None of this could be possible without you guys. So A, I want to say thank you so much for coming on this journey with me and getting me to this point. So points 2, 3, 4 kind of are all the same thing, really. So point number 2, started a brand new YouTube channel. Point number 3, I'm affiliated on Twitch now. And point number 4, I've been down for about a month because I've been upgrading my computer. So, what I've done over the past month is I have started a Twitch channel, twitch.tv/soulstate. It will be the very first link in the description. Go follow me on Twitch, and if you're feeling generous, go subscribe to me on Twitch. That would mean a lot to me, because I am affiliated now, and if you don't know how it works, I do get a portion of all of that. So, if you guys want to help me, you want to support me, go over there, go subscribe to me, so I'd really appreciate it. So, the new YouTube channel will be the second link in the description, Soul State Gaming. It's going to be all about gaming. I've started gaming now on Twitch. I've had a lot of fun with it, met a lot of cool people. You guys will see what I'm talking about when you go check out the Twitch channel. But that new YouTube channel will be where I post all of the gaming content on. Gaming, computers, all of that stuff. I thought about just doing it here, but I want to keep this sneakers. So that will be where everything else lives. So first link in the description, Twitch channel. Second, Soul State Gaming YouTube channel. So go follow me on Twitch, go subscribe to the other YouTube channel. I'll be doing a lot of stuff on that other YouTube channel very, very soon. The last point that I kind of want to talk about is life happened. So work has been extremely busy lately. I come home from work, I get home at like 6 o'clock, 6:30, something like that from work every day. I don't want to spend all of my time recording videos all the time or streaming. So, and honestly, streaming is kind of why that's where I went the past couple months, or the past month. Filming a YouTube video takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, takes a lot of setup, stuff like that. Streaming, most of the time I can just hop on the computer and stream. So, that's why I started streaming during the weekdays now. I try to stream 3 to 4 times a week, so make sure that you are following me on Twitch. But life happened, guys. Work got busy. I'm getting married in 3 months, in case you guys didn't know. So really, I just needed to take some time and help Christy with that. She's been handling all of it like a champ, and she just needed my help, and I needed to help her. So I just had to take time away from this to go do real life. So I just needed to do that. And then the last thing that I mentioned kind of in the intro, it's 90 degrees right now in this room. My AC went out last week, which kind of derailed my plans of making this video last week. That's why it kind of extended into the month-long break. So that's kind of unfortunate. So I'm just not extremely motivated to come in this 90-degree room and film. And if you guys have noticed that I'm cutting the video a lot during this, it's because I have bottles of water here that I'm just trying to drink just to get through this video. So, the big question that you guys all want to know, that I've been getting DMs about like crazy, that I teased in the very beginning of the video, am I quitting YouTube? Is this the last video that you'll see posted on this channel? If you guys know me, if you guys have talked to me, and you see how passionate I am about gaming and doing Twitch now, then you guys can probably make the conclusion that this video that you're seeing right now on this channel, it is not the last video, guys. There's no way. We're not going out like this. We just got monetized. We can't go out now. So yeah, guys, it's not the last video on the channel. Right now, I'm going to be ramping up content creation a lot. Guys, I'm going to have 2 YouTube channels going and a Twitch channel going, so I'm going to be in contact with you guys all the time now. So, I'm really doing this for another reason. I can get to know you guys better. Come hang out on the Twitch streams. I can chat with you guys in real time. You guys can hang out, so please come do that. We've built up a little community. I've gotten to know a lot of these guys kind of one-on-one, so it'd be cool if my sneaker guys could come over, enjoy the gaming content, meet some of the gaming people I've met. I think it would be really awesome. So if you guys want to come do that, remember, first link in the description, twitch.tv/soulstate. So that's it, guys. That's where I've been the past month, and I'm back now. As MJ once faxed, I'm back. So yeah, we're gonna have an exciting couple months coming up here before the wedding. I can't promise that the weeks leading up to the wedding and the week of the wedding that content creation won't slow down, but I'm gonna do my best. So, takeaways from the video, I'm not done. Come hang out with me on Twitch, twitch.tv/soulstate. Subscribe to this channel. Let's push it through the algorithm, guys. We gotta get it out to the masses. We're finally monetized now. We can start making money off this channel. And I promise you guys, I will be pouring all the money back into the channel. The bigger we grow this thing, the more hours I can put into this. Wouldn't it be awesome if this could be my job? That would be cool. But you guys gotta help me out to get to that point. And you can help me out by pushing this channel out to the masses, coming to hang out on Twitch, subscribing over there, and really just helping me out, guys. Helping support kind of what we got going here, what we got planned. But that's it. That's it for the video. We've got live cops coming your way soon. I haven't stopped reselling, guys, so we've got a lot of content coming your way over the next couple of weeks, and I am very, very excited to it. Thank you to all of you guys who were watching the video, who've stuck with me over this month-long break. Thank you to my awesome sponsors for sticking with me. Lemon, Live, all of you guys, especially Lemon Proxies. You guys are the goats. Quokka, Brew, thank you guys so much. We got a lot of cool, exciting stuff coming. Mushroom Proxies as always. So yeah, guys, it's gonna be an exciting time. So stay tuned to the channel over the next few months because we have got a lot planned. So now that you know it won't be the last time that I'm saying this, it brings me great pleasure to say that we will see you guys on the next one. Or on Twitch or on my other YouTube channel. Thanks!